What's going on, YouTube? Noah back here with another video. So, got a little project I'm working on. Just a little, probably won't be that long a video. Hopefully y'all get some entertainment out of it. Basically, I'll spin you online and show y'all what I'm working on. So, as you can see, this is the welding skid. I got two of the, Summel foldable jack stands, same size, 48-inch is what they are. Just sitting there. So I'm gonna take some of this. This is a 3/4 by. Alright, so these are 20 inches long. Basically, I'm gonna put them to where they'll stick to the bottom. There's a hole in the bottom of those. That should be fine. I might add more later, that way I kind of push them all together. But yeah, I'm just gonna find the center and then just get them set. Probably gonna pull them all the way out, but that way I can hold these jack stands and go from there. But I'm gonna modify the skid a little bit. It was originally designed to go in the truck the other way, straight, like the face of the weld or the back of the truck, which does work. It's just, if I do this, I get a little more bed space in the back here. It's only like 2 foot, foot and a half, 2 foot. So, C-channel works, but what I think I'm gonna do is just come down here and frame out. Basically, give me some more 2-inch, come down like 2 inches, and then put a beam on the bottom. Basically, so there's big old fork pockets. That way I can just come in here with a forklift, because those ones, they're a little too thin. They work, but I can't get my forks all the way in them. So I think I'm just gonna come in here and do that, and then that way I can just come in here, slide, pick it up from this way or that way, kind of like a normal skid is. So that's my plan. I'll probably just cut them off. But yeah, gotta measure this here much. I think a 20-footer would do it. Hopefully I don't add too much weight. Hopefully that should equal out to about what the weight it was. I'm hoping. Because the problem is, at the moment, auto crane would not lift this. It's too heavy, and I'm adding more weight. Figure that out. That's kind of a bummer to me. It won't lift it up. It tries, but I have a problem with that motor, so that's part of the issue. But it just seems like a lot of weight for that thing. We'll get it to work. But yeah, the motor on that, I need to replace it. I had a problem with the oil seal leaking into the motor, which causing it to be weak. So I got another motor sitting on the pole. I gotta get a CO2 and then put it in. But yeah, once I do that, we should be in business. What else was I gonna say? But yeah, that's. Oh, what I'm thinking about doing is when I do the bottom, think about cutting out a lot of this material here, right here, just trying on both sides to get some weight out of it. I'll probably keep a wing here, keep the back, or keep this side and that in the middle. Put a wing, cut the back out here, cut that out, just to get some weight off of it. I know it's not much, but I'd rather save some weight if I can. And I'll probably go through and cap all this, and then just finish it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that pulled off, get them lined up, and get them ready to put back on. Alright, YouTube, got the jack stands mounted. The welds, and somebody said once I don't show my welds, but that's some of them. Yeah, they mounted on there. I probably, 3/4 works. I'd probably go with something a little bit thicker if I could. So they do wobble a bit, but they work. I think. Let's see if y'all can see. I'm guessing you could probably go with like a 7/8 and be alright. I'll have to measure my other one, but it works. That's 3/4 inch round stock, so that's cold rolled. Hot rolled it shouldn't make that much of a difference, but yeah, probably some 7/8 would probably be the best. But does it work? Yeah. I'm gonna go on that, and then that way I can add 2 more. I'm pretty sure I can fit 2 more in there if I need to. Like I said, I'm gonna try cutting those down, get some weight off of that. I wish my crane, the chart says it's within the capacity, but chart versus reality are 2 different things. But yeah, so that's a little update. Gotta figure something out better to do with that. I mean, it's on there, it works, but and then yeah, yeah, that's basically what we got going. I just wanted to bring y'all along and show y'all that. But yeah, so if y'all like this kind of videos, let me know. Leave them in the comment section below. Like I said, it's Sunday. I ain't really got anything I need to be working on, so I just wanted to get this knocked out, and we did. So yeah, any comments or if it's helped, please leave it in the comment section. But thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, so let's see. I got these fancy calipers out. I don't know what I'm doing with these. So this is the hole at the bottom of the jack stand. Just putting this in here. It is 0.863 is what it is. So 3/8. Oh no, 7/8 would be a little bit too big. You have to drill a hole in there. I think I don't know if they make it, but you'd want like a 13/16 round bar. I don't know if they make it, but 3/4 doesn't fit. Isn't bad, but it's still a little loose. Let's see what 3/4 would be 0.75. That'd be right there. It fit. It fit, but you got some play in there. So, just something to think about. I figured I was gonna go ahead and measure it, so I just wanted to show y'all what I had. But I had this on, and thank y'all for watching.